Okay, today guys I'm going to do an unboxing of a tripod stick for cell phone or camera. This is a 62-inch extender, so you could make your YouTube videos or whatever other social media that you have. You'll be able to use this tripod stick to do so. So let us see what came in the box, guys. Okay. Instruction manual. This is the remote control. Okay. Okay, so this is the stick right here, and this is the support for it, so that you could fit your cell phone or whatever else that you need to fit on it, so that it could work for you. So it has a screw here. You could adjust it. You could make it longer or shorter, whichever way that you choose to. This way, whatever size device you're using, or you make it a little longer, and it also can rotate. It can also fit in here. Comes with a screw. All you do, you just screw it in. So it also has the extenders that you can make it as long as you like to. So this here can be extended, and it has 4 of them to take you up to the 62-inch extender. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it up so that you can see how long it can be extended for. Also, these legs open up nicely. So you have portrait and landscape. Turn it this way, turn it this way, turn it down, turn it up. Okay guys, please like and subscribe. Calabash Green playlist product review. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye.